Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something super useful. Time series analysis. Sound fancy, right? Don't worry, I'll break it down in a simple way. If you've ever wondered why online stores run big sales in November or how businesses predict what's going to happen next, that's time series analysis in action. It helps us understand patterns in data over time, like sales, website traffic, or even the weather. Let's get right into it. Now, imagine you own a small coffee shop and you keep track of how many coffee cups of coffees you sell each month. Over time, you notice sales go up in the winter when it's cold and drop in summer when people prefer iced drinks. That's time series data. Numbers recorded over time. Time series analysis helps us spot trend, predict future numbers, and understand seasonal patterns. For example, if your sales keeps going up every December, you can prepare for that busy season. Why is time series analysis important? Why should we care about it? Here are three big reasons. It helps you spot trends. Is your business growing or slowing down? Are stock prices rising or falling? It helps you make predictions. If you know sales increase by 10% every December, you can plan ahead, like ordering extra coffee beans. It also helps you understand seasonal patterns. Some things happen in circles, like more gym sign-ups in January or more ice cream sales in summer. Recognizing these patterns help businesses make better decisions. Now let's break down time series data. Time series data has a few key parts. Trend is something going up or down over time, like house prices steadily increasing. Seasonality, the regular patterns like more shopping during the holidays. Noise, random ups and downs that don't follow a pattern. Then cyclic patterns, long-term changes that don't repeat on a fixed schedule, like economic booms and recessions. Now, let's say you run an online store selling sneakers. You check your sales over the past year and notice a trend. Sales go up slightly every month, but you also see a pattern, big spikes during Black Friday and holiday sales. Using time series analysis, you can predict what's coming next. If sales jumped last November, they'll probably rise again this year. That means you should stock up on sneakers before the holiday rush. How do we make these predictions? How do we actually forecast future numbers? Here is simple methods. Moving averages. You take the average of past values to smooth out fluctuations and see the trend. Exponential smoothing. Similar to moving average, but it gives more importance to recent data because yesterday's sales tells you more about today than last year's sales. The ARIMA model, it's a bit more advanced, but great for handling trends and seasonality. Don't worry about ARIMA for now. Just know that it's a powerful forecasting tool used by businesses. Now, where is time series analysis used? What are some real life applications of this? You might be wondering who actually uses time series analysis. The answer is almost everyone. In finance, banks use it to predict stock prices. Retail and e-commerce, the stores track sales trends to decide when to actually launch discounts. And in marketing, businesses use it to see when customer engagement is the highest. And lastly, in operations and supply chain, customers companies can predict demand to avoid running out of stock. So whether you are running a business, investing in stock, or just curious about patterns in everyday life, time series analysis is super useful. Okay, let's wrap it up. Time series analysis helps us understand data over time and is great for spotting trends, making predictions, and understanding seasonality. Businesses, investors, and marketers all use it to plan for the future. I hope this video made time series analysis less intimidating and more exciting for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple data analytics explanation. See you in my next video.